Hey YouTubers, this is JP from Get the Fix. It's been a while since our last video, so today I'm going to do something different. With the help of my lovely wife, she's going to show us how to create a disc using AVS Editor. Okay, hun, take it away.
Hello, everyone. Normally, JP would use the AVS converter, but because he loves putting too many videos on one disk, he has a hard time getting it on there. And I believe today he had bought the wrong type of disk as well. So I'm going to show him and you how to create a disk just using the editor. All right, go to your AVS Video Editor. Once it loads, give it a minute here. Okay, you want to go to import your media. Okay, I like to grab from the smallest files as a practice here for you. So I am going to select these three and I'm going to open it. Here you have the timeline, but we're going to go over this area right here to the storyboard. This way you can see each one. Because he likes to use a lot, I tell him to go back into and choose a couple more videos that he may want and open. Okay. Here you can drag it down and see the videos getting placed onto the timeline through the storyboard. Okay. While it's in this mode right here, what you can do is you can move your videos around and switch them. But what you can do in timeline is, say if you have a couple of videos and there's some parts that you didn't want in there, you can always trim it in that certain area that you don't want it to be in and trim some more. And you can also delete that section out. You can undo if you made a mistake. Next, you can also add music, video, wording, but he doesn't want all that. So once you have chosen the videos you want, you can go over here to this menu. Make sure you've already got all the videos you need in order. Here you can select a photo file and place here. Once you've chose what you want for your main screen style. He seems to like the one that it's already on, so it's here. And you can, like I said, you can go in. Oh yeah, you have to upload your pictures already, import them. But in this case, we're not going to put nothing, but they'll go right here. Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. You can also change the title to whatever you want the title to be. I'll just say NFL. See at the top here, it's going to show NFL. Whatever you type down here in this box, this menu title box, it'll show on the screen. Play is already automatically there, but you can move it around and change the name all you want. Also, you can add in some music into here. Just grab any one of those. And to see if it's working properly, you just click on play. Okay, if that's the one you want, cool. Now right here shows how many chapters will be shown on the page. I think you can go up to like 3, I'm not sure, but in this case it's only going to be 1 because we only chose so many. Go back into the disc menu, I believe. Where did I show you that part? No, we go back to media. Here we go. No, it's here. Right, honey? This menu. I don't see where. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so used to the converter. Okay, go to chapters. I do apologize. And right in this area right here below the play button, you'll see auto set chapters, and you will go to at the beginning of the clip. It will create chapters for each one of the videos that you have placed here on the timeline. Okay, and once that's done, you can go back to your media. All right, here once we're done with everything, we've already selected our menu, and we know what that's going to look like. Anyways, you can enable or disable it. We will keep it enabled, but you can go straight to produce, and here is where you're going to decide whether you want it on file, on disk, on a device, or web. And we're going to choose disk, of course, today because we're creating a disk. You would choose what type of disk you want to create. Because of the DVD burner does not do Blu-ray, and we're not sure about this one, so DVD is the one we're going to use. We can use whatever quality. If you go with high quality, it's going to have a larger file. If you want to go to a smaller and simple quality, which he don't mind, we're going to use the long play. Then we click on next, and make sure it's NTSC. When you live over here in the States, it's NTSC for playback, and PAL is for European for playback. So make sure, like I said, it's DVD NTSC that you choose. Okay, click next. Right in this area, you can create a title, so when it saves into the output folder, you'll know where to find it the next time to redo it again. But right here shows you how much space you'll need, and in this case, with the videos that we chose, you will need at least 1.05 gigabytes, or 1 gigabyte pretty much. And we're using a okay, you can use a 8.5, but I would not recommend it unless you have really large files where you're going to need 2 disks. But in this case, we're going to use the 4.7 gigabytes. So if you want to put more videos on, right here will show you that you have at least another 3.5 gigabytes to put on there. So you can close out here and go back. Okay, go to media, go to import again. Say you want to get a couple more on there that you didn't get before, and there you go. Open it up, go to storyboard like I told you, and just drag those down in there. It's going to cache, so you're going to have to wait because these are larger ones, so you may have to wait till it's finished caching. Okay. Go back to this menu. Make sure you click on at the beginning of each one again. Okay. When it's finished caching, I believe it's going to pop up a picture for you. Okay. There you go. Now we can go back to media library. Okay. Yes, it's still saying caching. So I don't know. Let's see. Will it allow me to do the producing yet? Might have to wait till it finish caching. No. Okay. Let's go to the disk. This is just to show you how to do it. So go on. And we're going to choose that long play again, DVD NTSC again. Next. Now it shows that you need 2.04 gigabytes. And as I said before, we're using a 4.7. You can go ahead and go back to that again and put more on. And if not, then go ahead, type in your title and click create. All right. And that's what it's going to do. It's going to show you what's being created, okay, into the output file. But we're not going to do that. This is just a practice and to show you how to do it. And once it's done, the file is going to save. And make sure as you are going along putting in all your videos that you want, and whatever you do, if you do trim, if you add music or wording into there, make sure you save your project as you're going along. Not every software has a stability as good as those professional ones, so be careful, be wary, always save your project as you're going along. So, and that, back to you, JP.
All right, YouTubers. Hope you learned something today, because I know I did. If you have any other questions, subscribe to me at JP Get the Fix. Thanks. You have a good one. Adios. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if you do have a question. I'm sure he'll be able to respond to you. And have a good one.
Bye.